Hi, I'm Joginder, and this is my first open source project called as Git2Prompt. The inspiration behind Git2Prompt came from recent changes in Cursor IDE. So I saw that, Cursor changed their pricing and that affected a lot of people. And I, as a full stack developer, I myself haven't been using any specific IDE except for, of course, VS Code and so on. The basic thing I do is I work on my prompt and then I use different tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and so on, which helps me make it into a good project. So the idea of Git2Prompt is that you should be able to convert any GitHub repo into a good prompt. So let me start off with showing you how it works. So for example, this is a particular GitHub repo. I just copy the link and I paste it here. And then I wait for the prompt to be generated. This prompt has been generated a bit faster because I already generated the prompt for this particular repo. So it does take a little bit of time as it has to go back to the backend, but otherwise it's not so slow either. Now I can also search. For example, one of the things, as you can see, is that there are some suggestions coming. These are suggestions based on what other people are also looking at the same time. For example, if I search for this, create a portfolio with TailwindCSS. As you can see here, we got a number of repos which have come up for this particular search stream. Similarly, we can also search with, adjusting the stars. For example, I want to deploy my app with Docker. This is all natural language searching. Okay. And then if you want to also, you can type, say, just React, for example. So you can also use the search words as you like. Now we have a particular system here. And then I can just, either if I place the GitHub link, then it goes to the GitHub. Otherwise, if I do the prompt, I can generate the prompt. And as you can see here, we have a nice prompt. Just copy it and paste it in your ChatGPT or in your Claude or whichever one you like. And that's it, done. Okay. And of course, you can always use surprise me to find something interesting. Okay. So don't just clone it, own it. Thank you. Bye.